How to see your most played games in Roblox on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to check which games you've spent the most time on. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign in to your Roblox account. From there, click on your profile icon at the top right. At this point, click on your username to open your profile page. In the next step, scroll down to find a section related to your recent or favorite games. Following this, keep in mind Roblox doesn't display a ranked list of most played games by time spent, only recently played or favorited titles. Once done, click on Home instead, then scroll to the Recently Played section to see games you've opened lately. From here, this list is sorted by most recent activity, giving a general idea of what you play often, even without exact hours shown. At this stage, if you're looking for actual playtime stats, this data isn't publicly available through your Roblox profile or homepage. Keep in mind, some third-party trackers claim to show this information, but Roblox itself doesn't officially provide detailed playtime statistics. Finally, use the Recently Played section as your best available option to gauge which games you engage with most. And that's it! If this guide helped you understand how to see your most played games in Roblox, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.